Okay, construction is complete here in the storage unit. Now I gotta go do all the hard work loading it up. Maybe I should make the beautiful Miss Nikki do all that work. She's making all the background noise that she can while we're doing this. So, here's the deal. This went together so nicely, so easily. I really do love the heavier duty quality. You may have heard me talk about it in other videos. I really love the powder coating as opposed to the black paint. The black paint is shiny, but prone to scratches and that kind of stuff. This matte black finish powder coating is actually much more durable. Additionally, I want to tell you it comes with everything you need to install it. So it comes with a little mallet. It's a little baby mallet. It works. I prefer to use a big man mallet, but the little baby mallet is totally effective if you don't want to bring tools with you. And it comes with a really nice set of gloves. Additionally, if you have fragile little hands that get hurt, comes with a nice set of gloves, so you don't even have to worry about that. Pretty much everything you need is in that box. In any case, this is absolutely perfect for a storage thing like this. I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5. I love the configurability of it, the full metal construction. The power and the strength here is crazy. In conclusion, I hope this was helpful.